The knee is one of the most important joints when considering athletic movement. There's always these shearing and rotational forces that happen at the knee. The knee is primarily a hinge joint, yet there's so much rotational movement that happens at the knee that it is so prone to injury. And so when we look at the knee, we look at this three-pronged trifecta. We look at MCL, we look at ACL, and we look at the meniscus. And we really want to address the muscles surrounding these ligaments to help strengthen them so that the knee is bulletproof during sport or fitness. One of the things that we'll use electronic muscle stimulation and the PowerDot program of potentiation. Using the potentiation program to add electrical stimulus to the muscles surrounding the knee is a good idea. To strengthen the knee, I would really use pad placements in two different areas. The first one is going to be right on the knee itself. Go ahead and place the pod right above the knee and the two electrodes on your short wires on either side, lateral and medial, right below the knee. The other area that I would target for fast twitch muscle fibers is going to be the quad itself. Go ahead and place the pod on the upper part of your quadricep. Using the long wires, place the electrodes at the VMO and VLO area, or that little teardrop muscle on the medial side of your knee and the lateral side of your quad. So it forms a nice triangle, and you'll be putting E-stim right in that area of that triangle. So part of the potentiation program that we use is to activate the VMO, which is one of those power centers that addresses the sliding of that kneecap. It'll help to stabilize it. During sport training, there's always big emphasis put on lunges and squats and movements like this to help strengthen all of those muscles that support that knee. And so as a way to advance that or enhance that, we use E-stim on the big quadricep muscles, on the hamstring muscles, and on the gastrocnemius or calf muscles to then support the strengthening. And we'll use a strength program on PowerDot to assist in this. On our recuperation days, after a lot of training, it's really good to turn down those muscles. It's really good to flush the lactic acid and to help bring in the good blood flow, the good oxygenated, nutrient-rich blood to that area that we just trained so that we can get that muscle back to 100% before we have to use it again.